Alright guys, well today we have the 2021 Nitro 407. It's a toy hauler. It's a new toy hauler at that. It's pretty nice. It's pretty spiffy. You got a kitchen right there. I'll give you a really quick little tour around the whole thing. What do you think? Maybe not the whole thing. Let's just start in here. You got your high point microwave. Check that out. Let's see here. I think if I set that right there, gives you a pretty good view of some stuff going on. Get my modeling going. Wouldn't you like this fridge in your camper? I sure would. You got a whole bunch of drawers. Yeah, give you a little close-up of that, shall we? Look at this. So I always thought this was pretty neat. It's covered in plastic, of course. How it just kind of like peels away. I don't know. It's just kind of nice. What? Just kidding. There's no water in the tanks. Not yet. Not until you buy one from me. Got that right there. That's pretty nice. Some spiffy little storage space all over the place. I like these campers. I like them a lot. They're good. Here, do some outlets. Ooh, the Furion burners. There's 3 of them. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm the best salesman on the freaking planet. Yep. That's pretty nice. Doesn't get much spiffier, guys. You got a whole bunch of drawers. I'm not going to open like 15 of them, but I'll open 2 for you. And in this right here, let's see here. I'll set this right here. I'll actually hyperspeed me doing like some dances or something, or looking busy. Maybe setting up that couch. That'd be nice. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've decided not only can I practice my little hand gesture stuff, but I can show you how to do these. Yeah. So right here, we have a lovely TV. It's a big one. And right there, fireplace. Set at 62 degrees because it's about 98 in here right now. And I can't live with it being any hotter. That's not how you do that. You know, I genuinely thought that this was a pull-out couch. But, you know, it's a nice couch anyway. You can go there. I do know these. I don't know how much of this will catch you. You got this right here. Is this coming down following me? Look at this. So this right here. You can snap that in for like a little TV tray. Hope you guys can see it. I'm going to bend down here. See? Right there. And these are recliners. You just pull that right there. See, that's nifty. Ah! Still can't believe that didn't pull out. And that's going to be the same as the other side. But, yeah. I think it's a good picture of the living room, I think. These are really nice campers. They'll cost you about, like $66,000, $67,000. But I mean, heck, for a toy hauler, honestly, that's really not that bad. Especially for what all you're getting. The bathroom. That's where you wash your hands. That's where you look at yourself and make funny faces for a half hour. Then your mom makes fun of you 25 years later and tells everyone what you did. Right there, we all know what you do in there. See if no one's used it yet. So, that's good. And right up there, you got a little place to, I guess, get a little sunlight. Hey, look at that. Kind of looks like a little octopus. And this one's got a bedroom that is pretty sweet. I've actually never opened these. So let's show you these first. Holy smokeroonies, look at that. It goes through. This is the garage area, by the way. Sorry, I'm having an ADD moment. It goes all the way through. So, I mean, heck, I guess you got extra sleeping for one if you don't like them very much. I don't know if this part would hold it, but I don't know if you got real skinny friends or something. Oh, yeah, the bedroom. Okay. So right there, you got the bed. Some fine cabinetry indeed. Look at that. A place to hang some clothes. You hang right there. Yeah. A TV backer. What that means is they probably put something to put a TV back there. You can drill it in. Usually. I had one a couple years ago. They forgot to do that. The customer wasn't very happy with me, and I never heard the end of it. We got, okay. Well, that needs to be worked on. It's actually a pretty good size. Just close that with my foot. Sorry, boss. This is actually my first time in this camper. I'm pretty impressed. New, I think that's like a paper. Yeah, looks good though. Let's see here. Let's see what we got under the hood. Well, I'll be darned. You got plenty of space. Now, a lot of campers, what you'll notice, and I'll set this down here. A lot of campers, when you get into it, they have this little area, and it almost like boxes off. I hope you can see me. Boxes off like right here. And you can barely put, 200 towels in it. This one, I think you could probably fit at least 500 or 600 towels for all your beach trips you're going to take in this bad boy. Got a little couch there, and that will actually, should have probably prepped this a little better before I came in here, but that will flip up to make a couch, or you can go in this position. This is the other couch, and it'll lower down and make like a little queen bed. Let's see here. Right here is the control for that. Let's check it out. Let's see if it's, yeah, you see? See, lower it down, make yourself a little bit of bed. I'm not going to mess with that. Got a big old queen bed here up top for all your guests after riding your bikes and all that. And this right here is a little screen door. There's a whole bunch of boxes and stuff, behind this, so I couldn't drop the door. And it's probably hard to see. Let me see if I got flash on this thing. I don't know how to turn it. Oh, there it is. Come on. Well, normally I would turn on flash, but right there, there is an actual little fence. So when you drop the back of the door, maybe I'll go outside. You drop the back of the door, and it makes a nice little chained in area. Or the chains drop down to hold the door up. You put these little legs down, and then you have like a little party deck. It makes a nice little screened in area. Right there, we got a whole bunch of tools. Let's see what my tech's working with here. DeWalt, my man. See that last camper I went in and had that one Chicago brand, and the other one is Rigid. This guy's obviously making a little bit more money. Speedbore 2000. But there's the outside of that Nitro. This thing is awesome. Action camping. Hashtag action camping for all you tweeters and tweetettes. Get on the Twitter. Now, I'm not going to crawl in the storage today. Yesterday I skinned up my knee a little bit. And actually, it's really not that bad. I'm taking a look right now. But yeah, there's the action camping. Got dual awnings, so they come all the way on out. Get you nice and some good old shade. Right there. Check that out. Fancy, fancy. This person has a lot of money. They ordered it pretty decked out. XLR Nitro, the most beautiful thing I'll show you today. We'll see what we have tomorrow. Got your propane. We got some for your water heater. I'm gonna ignore that. Power plug. Right here, one of my favorite features if you're gonna watch some fireworks. A ladder to get on top of the roof. Can't tell you how many times I've been on top of those when I shouldn't. Hey, actually, back to this back again. If you look up there, there's a, let's see, I pull my finger right there. It's a place to put a observation camera by Furrion. Runs you 550 smackaroonies. You got your Thule awning right there. It comes out. It makes some shade to about this point when you're playing your cards. You got some good boxes back here. But yeah, that's pretty much all. I think I've pretty much ran out of things to say. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure to like and subscribe. It's yeah, thanks guys. Have a good one. Oh, hi Mom, hi Jen.